Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I've got some new parts. So first I've got a new 60 ampere hours battery, and yeah, we've got some new parts over here. Some repair for the seats, then some new floor mats, a new shift knob, yeah, some new dampeners for the hood. I replaced this because they're not that fresh anymore. So yeah, let's go. So firstly we repair this dampener in the front because it's so weak that the hood closes itself, and it's not good for working on the engine. So I think we have to loosen this clamp, and there's another one as well, then we can change the dampener. So with a flathead screwdriver we can pry this clamp open. Got it. That's the second one. Now we can remove the old dampener. Here it is, and this is the fresh one, brand new. So let's compare the length. Here it fits perfectly, and we can put it in the other way around. Bisschen zu mir, die Haube. Okay, snaps in right there. Okay, now we installed these two clamps right there and over there. So let's remove this, and we can try to close it.
Yes.
And how does it feel?
It's very nice, it feels very calm.
Yeah, very good. So nearly as brand new as. Now we want to install the new battery over there, and this is the battery compartment, and it's pretty dirty, so we first clean this thing up and then we can install the new battery. Okay, now we can install the new battery. So in the back here we also have two dampers, one over here, one on the other side. And these are pretty worn out as well. They are both new, and then we can try to close it. Yeah, perfect. You can see the old shift knob. As you can see, it's in pretty bad condition, and I want to change it with this leather shift knob I got from my 5 Series. It's not in the best condition, but it's definitely better than this one. I also ordered some new floor mats. So let's try them on. So this is the new cover for our seat. I think it's the best and easiest way to cover these massive holes that are in the seat. So it's pretty soft, and I think it fits the car perfectly. Also, check out my little animal, which always rides with me, and I think this looks pretty good.
So we decided to take that plastic part off to have a cleaner look on it, and now it's time to fix a bit of rust. But yeah,
So here we are in our common spot. So what we did today was changing out one seat cover. I definitely have to order another one for the other seat, but it's definitely a very nice option to cover these holes in the seats. Then I installed a new shift knob. We also cleaned the windows a little bit, therefore you have a nice view. On the back part we added a little sticker and we took off this plastic cover, and yeah, it unveiled a little rust spot, but it's fixable, I think. What we also did was changing new floor mats. They definitely look very nice and give a new feeling to the car. Also we changed the dampers. They are in pretty good condition now. Pretty strong and open very soft and good. And also in the front.
Take me in slow, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. It's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control.
So guys, if you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment and like.